channel, thank you so much for coming to watch another video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Jaleesa, aka Jaleesa Chavez, aka J Chavez, aka Bounty. I have a lot of names, y'all. I have a lot of names. Comment below if you have a lot of nicknames, because I know I have a good 5 nicknames from different people. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this very natural, no lashes, super glam, and a very affordable look today using all Maybelline products. Oh my gosh, shout out to Maybelline. I am so happy that I was able to do this one brand tutorial using Maybelline. Really liked how the look turned out, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I created this very natural look. If you're interested on how I created this look as well, go ahead and continue watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button. Also, hit the bell if you want notifications on when my next video will be uploaded. I am starting to do 2 uploads a week, so you guys want to keep up so you won't get behind. So go ahead and hit that bell so you'll know when my videos will be uploaded. Before we start getting into all of the other products, I need to moisturize my lips because they are super dry. I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Baby Lips Chapstick. And I need this bad. Okay, now that the lips are fully moisturized and ready to go, I'm going to go with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And I'm just going to apply this in my T-zone, which is where I have the biggest pores. So not much, about a dime size of the product. And then I'm just going to swipe it all into my T-zone. Ooh, I love how this feels on the skin. Like, it has like a really silicone feel, and it's just so smooth. My eyebrows are already done. We're gonna go into foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, and this comes with a dual-ended sponge, which I'm pretty excited about. I have the shade Warm Coconut 356. This is my first stick foundation, you guys, and I'm super excited to see how much more convenient it is and how it works. So this foundation is also a cream to matte. Wow, a cream to matte formula. It's a little bit darker, but that's okay. This stuff is so creamy. It just glides on like so smooth, and it's really full coverage. Wow. I honestly wasn't expecting that. So even though it's a little bit darker, it's okay because I'm gonna even it out with the concealer. It's really dark, but I like for it to be a little darker so that it looks more natural and it looks so much more better in pictures. I really don't want to blend in my foundation with the end because it's really small and it's going to take forever. So I'm going to use this to apply and blend out my concealer. To blend out my foundation, I'm just going to go in with a damp beauty sponge, which is so much better to use when blending in your products. It makes the products go on much more smooth and seamless, and it doesn't pick up a lot of the products. You want a lot of pigment and full coverage. Pouncing the foundation in instead of smearing it, which would disturb the product and not give you that much coverage. I'm just bouncing and blending the product into the skin. I know this shade looks really orange compared to my skin, but it's okay. We're going to blend it out. Trust the process, you guys. I'm a makeup artist, so I know how to work with it. If it was much lighter than me, that would be kind of hard to work with, but because it's just a little darker, I can still work with it. Other than the shade difference, it's really orange. I look like an Oompa Loompa. But we're gonna keep on moving because that is the only shade that I have. I'm gonna go in with the Instant Rewind, and you just wanna give it a few clicks. I'm going to apply this right under the eye. This is really gonna cancel out any darkness. If I have any bags from not getting any sleep last night, this is going to help with that. And I'm going to use the end of the foundation stick and blend this in. I don't like small applicators because that just takes way too long to blend stuff in. but since this is going right under the eye, I feel like it'll really target the area and blend it in. The darkness is completely gone. Okay, to highlight the face, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York concealer. This is the shade 30 Honey. This is gonna be a really good highlight shade for me. The applicator is super skinny and it feels so funny. And I'm also going to prep my eyelid. After it sits for about 30 seconds to a minute, you want to go ahead and blend it out. You want to let it sit for a second just so that it can settle into fine lines and pores, and it'll be more fuller coverage once you start blending. Concealer is super blendable and it has a really nice natural coverage. You can still see my acne scar on my face right under my eye. I'm going to add a second layer while I work on my other eye just to see if it's buildable and see if I can really use it as a full coverage concealer. Covered the scar with a second layer. So it's a buildable, yay! That means I can really go in if I want to, if I want to do like, if I want to be super extra for the night. I actually really like how this looks. It looks different compared to the other products that I use. And this just gives me a really natural glam. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium. And I've been hearing really good things about this Fit Me powder, so your girl is super excited, yay. And I'm just gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge. I'm gonna start off with a thin layer. Ooh, she is bright. So far, I am in love. Now I'm gonna take a big powder fluffy brush. Since I'll be doing a powder contour, I can go ahead and set my contour area. Contour today, I'll be going in with the Maybelline pressed powder in the shade 360. By the way, the Fit Me loose powder I used is in the shade 25 medium. I hope this isn't the shade of my skin. It's more like a bronzing shade. It's not really a contour shade, but it's okay. I'm going for a natural look anyway, so. So I see that the product is starting to pick up around my acne scarring. I probably should have concealed those areas, but I really wanted to see the coverage of the concealer, because if I just pick up the foundation one day and don't feel like concealing and doing all the extra stuff, it won't give me a full coverage that I need. So, whew. This is definitely like an everyday look, just natural finish type of tutorial. Blush, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline pressed blush, and this is in the shade 45. I'm gonna take my blush brush. This is a nice blush. It's really natural. I mean, I guess that's what you get when you buy drugstore products. You don't really get a lot of pigment, so don't expect to get a lot of pigment unless it's you know, a brand that's really about their pigment. But this is, it looks really natural. It looks super natural. So for eyes today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. I'm really hoping with this palette I can get a little bit more pigment than what I have gotten from the face products. The face products are really pretty, don't get me wrong, and it looks really natural and glowy. And I love the Fit Me loose powder. I'm definitely going to be using that one a lot from now on because it's such a good powder. I mean, look at it. It's not creasing at all. I have no creases and it just looks so smooth, and the powder's really fine. So first shade I'll be using as my transition shade will be Coca-Cola Float. I'm going to start pushing this right into my natural crease. Okay, pigment, I see you. Hold on, Maybelline, hold on. I'm going to go in back with the Maybelline concealer. The lid, I'm going to go in with Grape Pop. This looks so pretty. It's like an electric purple. I'm going to start pushing that in. Wow. Wow, it is so pigmented. I mean, it's showing up so good. On the outer crease, I'm going to go in with Cherry on top. That's so pretty. And on the inner tear duct, I'm going to go in with Soda Fizz. I'm going to apply that right on the inner tear duct of my eye. So I'm going to go in with Coca-Cola Float, or with the Cola Float. And I'm going to apply this right on my bottom lash line. I'm going to really smoke it out. And to finish off the eye, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Coat the eyes a few times to really bring out my lashes. To finish off the look, I'm going to go back in with the Baby Lips by Maybelline. And I'm going for something really natural, so I just want a really nice gloss to my lips. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I feel different. I feel different. You know, like sometimes you'll do your makeup and you just feel like super, just full coverage, a lot of makeup, you know that feeling? This purple eyeshadow is popping. It is popping. It is such a pretty purple. I'm definitely gonna be using this palette a lot more. Well, shout out to Maybelline for making me feel beautiful today. I love Maybelline. It is one of my favorite drugstore brands, and I have so many Maybelline products. So I'll definitely be doing more Maybelline tutorials. This eyeshadow palette though, yes, it is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes now. Like I'm in love with this whole look. It's so natural and it's definitely different from what I usually do. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe and thumbs up button to subscribe and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. You are so awesome. Shout out to all of my new subscribers. I've seen over 15 new subscribers in the last couple of weeks, and I appreciate you guys so much. Like, you really don't understand how much it means to me. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to follow me on social media. All of my information will be down below in the description box, as well as products that I use in this video today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.